Hello!
This video is about the air pollution of the world, concretely the one of Durango, the town that we live.
We have been researching about the air pollution all over the world, and the different continents are Europe, Asia, and Africa.
Now we are going to speak about our town, Durango.
As you can see, we have chosen different countries, developed and not developed ones.
Firstly, Africa is a not developed country with population of 1,196 million people, and we have seen that is the most polluted one. Surprising, right?
That is like that because of the high use of coal that causes high carbon dioxide emissions. Also because of the high amount of dust that is there and the rubbish that Europe causes is thrown to Africa, and that is an important thing that we have to take into account.
Then, Asia, which is a developed country, is the second most polluted continent of the three, and it has a population of 4,462 million people.
In this case, the causes of the pollution are the uses of the fossil fuels, of feeding the electrical station, the increase of the use of cars, and the burning of the coal to maintain the houses warm.
Finally, Europe, which is another developed country, is the less polluted continent and it has a population of 744 million of people.
Pollution is because of the emission of carbon dioxide by the exhaust pipes of the transport. Also, it is due to the gas emissions by the factories and the petrol and rubbish that they throw to the rivers and so on.
After being researching the causes of this air pollution that we have in the earth, we have seen that this pollution causes many illnesses. Also, it has caused many deaths, many lung problems because the air that we breathe is toxic, etc.
The emission of the CO2 is causing the greenhouse effect because of the climate change. So, seeing all these consequences, we think that an immediate change is needed to improve this big problem that we have.
We have been researching about the air pollution in Durango, and we have seen that on the Saturdays of February and March of 2017, the emission of the NOS and PM2.5 were on the area that is allowed to be in the air. That means that the quality of the air was good in the days.
We also have seen that the highest numbers of the particles were at the mornings 9 o'clock and almost at the night at 8 o'clock. So we have been thinking on the fact that these particles are emitted mostly by the cars that we normally start using on the mornings to go to the schools, factories and different jobs, and then also at the afternoon or mostly night when the people goes home.
Apart from that, we have seen that in the most polluted hours of the day, at 9 o'clock at the morning, in an hour we will breathe 0.0162 milligrams of NOx and 0.0051 milligram of PM2.5.
Focusing into Durango, there is a machine that gives numbers of the particles of the air of the town. Exactly is next to Sabalarra School, in the San Roque Street, and it measures the particles in microgram per 1 cubic meter. This equates to 0.000001 gram per 1,000 liters.
In addition, the values that the EAE has put are not right, because they say that the values between 50 and 100 are good, and some studies say that with these values almost 600 people had lung problems.
Apart from that, this air causes a lot of other symptoms and illness, like cancer, cardiovascular illness, etc.
When 2.5 get into our body and mutate with the proto-oncogen that is inside of chromosomes. The oncogen take a control, and because of the mutation doesn't do the growth control. This produces a tumor, and inside of chromosome is a tumor suppressor gene that suppresses the tumor, but it doesn't work well. The tumor grows up and produces cancer.
Emits high numbers of CO2 and the diesel emits high numbers of PM 2.5.
Why the gasoline needs only a spark to turn on and the diesel is turned on a different way.
We thought some different ideas. We think that putting a rule that says that the cars that have an even number can travel in some days and the ones that have an odd number in other days. Also, it's a good idea to put some green days that cars aren't allowed and to use more bicycles and public transport.
In addition, it's a good idea to put more public transport and cheaper so the people will use them more often.
Population is essential to make these people change and start having good habits and make this town free of pollution. So we have to care our world to have a good and nice life.